I'm in love with the shape of you and the way you move. I'm in love with your off-brand shoes and your daddy issues. See, I don't need more than simple things, just a simple kind of love. You don't need to buy me fancy bling. See, all I need is you, good baby. Know you got me feeling so crazy. No need to try to prove me and maybe you should leave your pride at the door and let go. 'Cause I love you. There's no need to pretend.
Where are we at right now?
What's this, Mantino?
We're on Rodeo Drive in Beverly Hills. Very nice outside.
And I don't wanna give you sympathy. Do you know that I'm so easy to please? And lately I don't need nothing but you and me. In reality, none of that matters to me. Baby, you know you is that
I get the feeling that you might be. Did I turn you on? You can tell me if I'm wrong, but I'm feeling that you might be. And we ain't even smoke, but you swear I got that dope, and I'm thinking you like to be. Every word I speak got you flowing off your seat, and I'm knowing that you like me. Oh, you high, baby, okay, the blunt is warm.
So we're in a top classified. We can't film past this. We can't film past this one. We'll blur up past here.
Right, babe. You tell me gonna spend the night, babe. Girl, I don't even know ya. I know enough to get you high, baby. I got about a half an hour.
We just got back from Rodeo Drive. We didn't buy anything though.
Come in. I'm sure you in the bathroom. We're working on getting a double sink installed.
Ventilation if you're
Oh,
smelling.
look at this.
That's cute. It's like an oven. No, it's better. They got the. No,
Smell this.
They got the towels. Are you still filming? This is where the magic happens.
I am not your family. You mess up and you lose it. I don't need your love. I don't need your fame. I could crash my.
Show the board. He's a target. Look at the beautiful mountains.
I just fly to space. I thought I got lucky, but you changed your mind. Let you look inside me, was it blinding? Please rewind it. Fuck it, it's a party, no one's here to stay.
Mom and Dad, strike a pose. Your shooting pose. Wow. Hands up.
They might pick you up.